Most people I know tend to opt for either a Samsung or an iPhone when choosing a mobile phone. I'm starting to feel a bit tired of sticking with the same options repeatedly, so I decided to explore something new. In this video, I'll review two Nubia phones, the Z60 Ultra Leading version and the Z60S Pro, to compare their differences, specifications and performance. Let's dive right in. Nubia, a leading global smartphone manufacturer and tech pioneer, launched two flagship smartphones this year, the Nubia Z60 Ultra Leading version and the Nubia Z60S Pro, promising strong performance, excellent imaging capabilities, and immersive audio experiences. My first impressions are that these phones are big. The Ultra is slightly bulkier, being 8.8mm thick and 26 grams heavier than the Pro. The main difference from the front view is that the Pro has a rounder appearance with rounded edges, unlike the Ultra Leading version, which has more of a straight edge and corners. Another difference is the front-facing or selfie camera. It's visible at the top of the Pro, but is hidden beneath the screen in the Ultra, a unique design feature that sets it apart. On the back, both phones have bulky cameras that stick out from the casing, but they look very different. The Pro has a rounded design with 3 cameras grouped together, while the Ultra Leading version has 3 separate camera areas. They both have different design styles with different textures, but both are great at repelling fingerprints. In addition, the Z60 Ultra is IP68 water and dust resistant, but the Z60S Pro is not. Both the Z60 Ultra and the Pro have very similar screen sizes, with the Z60 Ultra being only slightly larger at 6.8 inches. Additionally, both phones are equipped with high-quality AMOLED displays boasting a refresh rate of 120 Hz, ensuring a smooth and vibrant visual experience. However, it's important to note that there are several key distinctions between the two models. For instance, the Ultra model supports HDR10 and showcases a peak brightness of 1500 nits, whereas the Pro model offers 1200 nits. Furthermore, the Ultra features a display resolution of 1116 by 2480, while the Pro boasts a slightly higher resolution of 1260 by 2800, providing crisp and detailed visuals. The Z60 Ultra and the Z60S Pro have significant differences in their specifications, but both offer powerful performance. The Z60 Ultra Leading version is equipped with a high-performance Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Leading version processor, known for its exceptional processing power and efficiency. On the other hand, the Z60S Pro features the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, offering a balance of performance and energy efficiency. The Z60 Ultra Leading version provides users with the option of 8, 12 or 16 GB of RAM, while the Z60S Pro offers 12 or 16 GB of RAM, providing reliable performance for everyday use. Both the Z60 Ultra and the Z60S Pro offer a range of storage options, including 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB, allowing users to select the storage capacity that best suits their requirements. All options provide ample space for media, apps and files. Both devices support 5G connectivity, enabling high-speed data connectivity and run on the Android 14 operating system, offering the latest features and security enhancements. Additionally, Nubia has integrated its own operating system called myOS 14 on top of it, which has virtually no bloatware. Only a package of Google apps and a few utilities are installed, making it fast, responsive and free of clutter. One reason these smartphones are bulky and heavy is due to their large battery size. The Z60 Ultra has a massive 6000 mAh battery that can last 2 days with regular use and features 80-watt fast charging, which can recharge 40% of the battery in under 25 minutes. The Z60S Pro has a slightly smaller 5100 mAh battery, but still ensures it lasts all day even with hardcore usage, and features the same 8 watts fast charging technology. Unfortunately, neither phone supports wireless charging, which is unfortunate as we are seeing more and more wireless charging technology integrated into our lives, such as built-in wireless charging in cars, bedside tables, and even sofas. The Nubia Z60 Ultra Leading version and the Nubia Z60S Pro both have impressive camera systems, but there are some differences between the two. The Z60 Ultra Leading version features a powerful triple camera setup, including a 50 megapixel main camera, a 50 megapixel wide-angle camera, and a 64 megapixel telephoto lens. On the other hand, the Z60S Pro features a slightly different camera configuration. It comes with a 50 megapixel main camera, a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens. Let's take a closer look at the cameras and the differences between them. Before we get into the details, I will say that after photographing different types of scenery, both of these phones have excellent cameras for different needs. I was really impressed with the images they produce. When using the 35mm lens to photograph architecture, the Nubia Z60 Ultra produces a sharper and crisper image with more detail and a nicer contrast, compared to the Z60S Pro, which appears to have a white layer on top, attempting to brighten the image and doesn't pick up on the finer details. Here's another example. However, when using the 35mm lens to photograph different scenarios, there really isn't much difference between the two, with both producing crisp, vibrant and excellent photos. Even in environments with minimal natural light, both phones' cameras excelled at capturing vibrant, well-exposed images with a rich and balanced range of tones. If you're more interested in selfies, I found that the under-display 12 megapixel front camera on the Z60 Ultra lacked natural colour clarity, resulting in photos that appeared washed out and blurred. This is especially noticeable when compared to the clearer, crisper and more natural images captured by the 16 megapixel camera on the Z60S Pro. So if you're looking for a phone and love taking selfies, the Z60S Pro is a much better choice. However, if the design is more your thing, you'll notice that the Z60 Ultra has an under-display camera featuring the 6th generation in UDC technology. Let's take a quick look at what you get in the box. The phone sits on top, and underneath is a box containing a quick start guide, SIM tray ejector, and a clear plastic phone case. Underneath that are two more boxes. One includes the power plug and the other contains a Type-C charging cable. Overall, both the Nubia Z60 Ultra and Z60S Pro are excellent phones with impressive features and specifications. They both offer high-quality AMOLED displays, powerful processors, ample RAM and storage options, 5G connectivity, and exceptional camera systems. The Nubia Z60S Pro offers excellent value, starting at around $500, depending on your chosen RAM and storage options. The Nubia Z60 Ultra Leading version starts at just over $600, again depending on the RAM and storage options. With its specifications and capabilities, many users might find the price reasonable and competitive compared to other flagship smartphones in the market. In the end, the choice between the two really comes down to what you prefer and the specific ways you plan to use them. Check them out by clicking the links in the description and pinned comment below this video. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment and subscribe to my channel, making sure that you turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my latest releases. These small actions from you make a big difference to me and help to improve how YouTube recommends my videos to potential subscribers. And I truly appreciate your help in making my channel grow.